Hello, my name is Surendra Reddy Gadda. My roll number is 20 ME10083. For my DIY assignment 1 part 2, I have made a cell phone holder. As you can see, here is my cell phone holder. For, for making this, first I drew the front view of the cell phone holder. As you can see, it's completely green, which means it's a fully constrained sketch. I kept this angle 75 degrees so that it does not fall off due to the phone weight. Next, I drew one of the semicircular curve sketch, and using the symmetry feature I did the same on the other side. This is to cut these curve parts on the edge of the slant part for making it cost efficient so that less material is consumed. Then I have created this sketch to make a hole on the other slant part so that the wire can pass through it. This hole and these cuboidal parts, I have sliced it from the main body with the help of the pocket feature. Next, for writing this S on the base, I have used this shape string feature and then use the pocket feature to make a thin slice of S on the base. The font, the font of the shape, the letter S I used is Bella Ears. Next, I use the fillet option on all the edges to make it a smooth solid. Then, to make it more attractive, I have added colors to various faces. Like, I have put the black color on the borders, red color on the main face, and the yellow color on the holes near on the holes. Now, let's create a mesh out of it. Select this, go to mesh design, meshes, create mesh on the shape. Let us keep the fineness to be fine. Yeah, the mesh is created. Now let's export it. Now let's go to Cura. First, this is Cura. First, let us change the dimensions. Select the object. Let us keep the x as 90. Now, as you can see, the dimensions of the phone holder are 90 cross 78.2 cross 74.5. Now select this phone holder and select the option lay flat so that it sticks to the build plate to give it support. Now let's go to print settings. I put the profile to be fast 0.2 mm, the layer height or thickness to be 0.2 mm, the infill density to be 95%, infill pattern grid, gridding temperature 200 degrees Celsius. It is infill density I put 95% so that it should be at least strong to hold a phone. Print speed is 60 per second and the build plate adhesion type is brim. Now let us slice it. Now we got the printing time to be 3 hours 54 minutes, which is less than 4 hours. The weight is 66 grams, which is so less so that it can be taken wherever we want. Now let us preview it. Now by dragging the slider up, you can see the state of printing. Thank you.